Well, hello everyone. It's great to be here. My name is Sage Leary,
And I'm Mark Fiore.
and together we do a thing called Visible Sound.
Yeah. So we're a live performance duo. I juggle to Sage's original tunes. He plays a lot of rock, blues, Americana, kind of all across the genres. Feel good music.
That's right. So we're gonna start you guys off with a song about looking at what you have. This one's called I've Got You. Blue sky, sunny days, melt these blues away. We got to stop and say, I'm glad I've got you. I've got you. Well, barefoot in the sand, waves wash up on the land, rolling with the tide. Soon I'll make a stand, and we're walking hand in hand. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. When I put on my old shoes and listen to the news, oh, it can make me wanna cry. But soon I'm feeling glad, seeing things aren't so bad now that I'm with you. Yeah. I'm with you. Give it up for Mark Fiore. Well, the world goes round and round, things might get you down, just gotta remember, I'm still here. 'Cause when you change your tune, I'll be here right on cue, 'cause I got you. I got you in my arms tonight. I feel alright. Every day around me, surround me, all kinds of friends, everybody say, feeling alright, yeah. The more we can get together now, the more we can get it together. It's going, I said the more we get together, yeah. The more we get together, it's gonna feel so nice. I'm for a little island music. Ready? Feel alright. All right. How we doing?
We're just so happy to be here. The whole thing about Visible Sound is feeling good while doing what we love. And that just happens to be music and juggling. And we're just thankful that it's a beautiful day outside, beautiful summer day.
Great day for grilling and chilling. Yeah. Well, speaking of grilling out, any of you guys like to grill out there? Any grillers? Yeah. Beautiful summer experience like we're having today. This is a song I wrote out in Nevada. It was actually raining like it was yesterday, so thank you for the beautiful weather, universe. But this is a song about believing in yourself. I was singing in the rain. It's called "I Can Do It Again." Woke up this morning, I had a hand on my guitar. When I woke up this morning, I had a hand on my guitar. Well, the waves been rolling, been spreading me wide and far. You know I left my lady way back in Monterey. You know I left my lady way back in Monterey. Yeah, I really did too. From time to time she still calls me, asking, say, G, are you doing okay? Not much else I could say. Said, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. I can do it again. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. I can do it again. Eau Claire, we feeling okay? Well, I do what I can to love and try to understand. You know, to do what I can now to love and try to understand. Understand. 'Cause when I feel your love on me, I'm feeling all that I earn. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. I can do it again. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. I believe it again, I can do it again. Just like a circle starts where it ends. Well, I can do it right now. I can do it again, yeah. Feel it deep inside you. Tell me where up you've been. Well, I can do it right now. I can do it again, yes I can now. Well, I can do it again. Well, I can do it again.
Give it up for Sage Leary and those rocket tunes. Woo. Now it's about 10 degrees warmer on the stage because I got Sage's just shredding guitar right next to me, but I'm all okay with that.
It's all that grilling and chilling. Chillins. Well, we love nature out here. It's something that we all got in common, and Mark and I, and we try to let that come through the things that we do in our own way. So this is a song that it's about just the day-to-day, finding balance and making it through, and the things that we see and feel. It's called The Fine Line. And we're going to do a little bit of a trick here.
Yes, we are.
Juggling trick.
So we're going to break out a new prop. These things are called clubs, and there's a fine line around many things in this world, but there's also a fine line between bravery and stupidity. What a perfect prop to illustrate it with. Mind kicking one of those up to me, Sage?
Sure. Reminder that everything's connected. Feel it on the inside, see it on the outside. Feel it on the inside, see it on the outside. Feel the fine line. Can you feel the fine line? Feel it on my side and see it on your side. See it on your side. Feel the inside, see it on the outside. You gotta feel your way inside your mind. You gotta get out. You gotta feel your way out. There ain't no other way to put this rap. You just gotta do it. Put your whole self in, get your whole self out. Shake it all about. Yeah, everything in your mind has been telling you. Everything on your life has been telling you. You got to move on. You got to grow. Only way you can grow is to face your fears. Get into perspective. Be there for your peers. Yeah. Gotta keep it tight if you wanna be right in a sweet spot of life, yeah. Everything is telling you, it's all telling you. You got to move on, got to go. You can see it on your side, yeah, y'all. Feel it on the inside. Outside. But we have one more song for you guys to stick around. Really grateful to have this opportunity to be on the stage again and share Visible Sound with you guys. So we've been spending the years jamming it here in the Phoenix Park. So it's kind of at the farmers market. So it's kind of cool that we get to share it with you guys here at the Sounds Like Summer event here. So
Yeah, and speaking of that, we really want to thank Volume 1 for having us out here. It's a real privilege. Give it up for Volume 1, guys.
Yeah, it's great what they're doing, you know, just getting everybody local here and getting to share the good times together, music and all of us that are appreciators of that, you know, that's what keeps the community going, so give yourselves a hand too. Thank you for making it out here today. It's the time out of the day to do this.
All right, so this next one is called
Love Like a River.
And we got a beautiful river behind us. Love is flowing through all of us. And you know what else is flowing through all of us? Water. So we're gonna stay hydrated today. Everyone make a commitment. No heat stroke today, if we can help it.
With that water. I'd like to thank you guys again for coming out today. wherever life takes you, hope it's an enjoyable way. 'Cause love is like a river, it's always changing, but it's always itself. Love, just like a river, it's always moving along, and it doesn't look back. You can never look back. Love, like a river, the more you try to dam it, the more it's gonna overflow. Love, like a river, the more you understand it, the more you want to know. I said, do you wanna know what I think you wanna know? Do you wanna know, no, no, no? Sometimes I go down to the river, sit by the water, and I have a little talk with my friends at Phoenix Park. And here's what they all told to me telepathically. They said, take what I say and do what you want with it, 'cause when I'm gone you're gonna know. It's love, like a river, the more you try and dam it, the more it's just gonna overflow. Love, like a river, the more you understand it, the more you want to know. Do you wanna know what I think you wanna know? Do you wanna know, no, 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 no? It's love, it's rock and roll. Fine all the time. Everything you do is on your mind. You gotta get out, be yourself. Don't be afraid to rock and live in hell, yeah. You gotta love yourself. If you wanna show what you gotta love, love, love like a river. Bring it down home, yeah, yeah, woo. Thank you.
So, make sure to stick around. We have two awesome bands coming up.
Got Nick Foytik and his band.
We got John Forrest and the Model Citizens. So stick around.
And you can see us up here at the time. We'll come and hang out for a while, and you guys come say hi. Don't be shy. We got merch and stuff up there. I just released a new song. If you want to keep in touch, we got Mark Fiore has an Instagram, and I do too. So just Mark Fiore, Sage Leary. But most importantly, keep enjoying the evening. We have a lot of great music coming up. Thank you.